Hello friends, welcome back to Swaggy Amma. Today in this video we'll be seeing how to make kele ambad. This is from the Konkani cuisine and it is requested by one of our subscribers. If you like us to make any video of your choice, do let us know in the comment section or in our Facebook or Instagram handle. To make this recipe, in a pressure cooker add about half a cup of chana dal and 1 cup of water. Now pressure cook this for about 1 to 2 whistles in high flame. Please note that the chana dal added here was washed and soaked for about 15 minutes prior to adding. Next, take 3/4 cup of crushed jaggery and add equal amount of hot water to it. Mix this well until the jaggery dissolves. Next, with the help of the sieve, filter the jaggery. Open the pressure cooker once the pressure is down. As you see, this is the right consistency of the chana dal and it is not overcooked. Now add the jaggery and about 6 to 7 cashew split to the cooked chana dal. Next, to prepare the ground coconut masala paste, take a mixer and add 2 dry red chilli, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 cup of grated coconut. Add little water and grind until you get your fine paste ready. Make sure your ground paste is not too watery. Now add the ground paste to the cooked chana dal and mix everything well. Once the mixture starts boiling, add 2 to 3 Kerala banana finely chopped into it. Allow this to cook for about 4 to 5 minutes in low flame. Now add a pinch of salt into it. Next, prepare the tempering by adding 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, half a teaspoon of jeera, half a teaspoon of mustard seed and few curry leaf to a kadai. Now add the prepared tempering to the kele ambad and mix them well. Now your delicious kele ambad is ready. This can be had as a side dish along with rice or as such as a sweet recipe. So do try this recipe at home and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to share it along with your friends. Thanks for watching, and there are few more videos on the screen. Do click and enjoy them as well, and do not forget to subscribe.